Market just closed, and that was a very unusual day for the market. Hi there, I'm Alex with Kapatalyze, and I'm going to give you a trade breakdown market recap for today, Monday, January 26th. So let's go ahead and dive in. Very choppy day, other than the big drop on Tesla at the beginning. And my primary focus typically when trading is Tesla. I'm going to be looking at Tesla first as my first trade or first stock that I'm going to keep an eye on. And big drop there. Wasn't sure if we were going to get a recovery, if this was just a drop right off the open, or if this was going to then end up kind of making a V pattern and curving back up there to test pre-market highs. But obviously we didn't get that. I really didn't even take a trade until a little bit later in the morning, almost afternoon time. I was really waiting for a drop below 437.65, or even anything really below 438. We bounced 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 times off of the support here, right at right around 438. So once we got the break here, I was able to enter puts on Tesla, and I ended up selling way too early. Sold probably about 436 because that was kind of my price target. I wasn't sure how far we were going to go down, but ended up getting lows of 434. So today's an unusual day where I didn't take any common share trades. So I can't show you in the active trader because there's not a P&L there. So I will put it up on the screen over here as far as what my day was like with Tesla. Let me take a look here for the exact number. On the Tesla trade, we took 430 puts and made a little bit over $5,000, $5,063 on that specific trade. And I thought about jumping back in as it decided to go down, but a little bit more. But I just thought that had a very good day, and the risk was just not worth it to be able to jump in there. Gonna take a look at SPY here. SPY did quite the opposite. And if you don't know, SPY follows the market. SPY is a market. There's a lot of different stocks that are in the S&P 500, and SPY follows that. So right off the open, we got a pretty good bounce, and really just kind of consolidated the rest of the day, making higher highs on the day, 694.13. So that was a really good day for SPY today. And then we ended up getting a drop at the close due to lots of selling pressure, just closing out positions, because SPY is one of those stocks that there's a lot of people buying and selling intraday. So at least on the option side. So very good day overall, but very choppy. There wasn't a lot of movement. I was expecting a little bit more volatility, and we really only got a lot of volatility kind of at the open there. So today was the day where I alerted my team more than I ever have before, and sent out probably 15 to 20 alerts on kind of what the market was doing, what I was looking at as far as trades go. So if you have any interest in joining that, I have a private trading community called Kapatalyze, where I give alerts, my trades, what I'm looking at, and just a little bit more behind the scenes of what I'm doing on a daily basis, along with 10 plus hour 95 lesson library that goes into depth on my entire trading strategies, and really just covers the basics if you're just starting out trading. So go ahead and check that out. And yesterday we just finished up our weekly coaching call with the team, and they asked a lot of great questions. So that was a really good coaching call that we had yesterday. Really excited for the next one. Typically do that every Sunday before the market opens the next day, so we can kind of break down stocks and kind of get an idea of what to look at for the upcoming week. And if you're not quite interested in, or not quite ready to join the private academy, I have a public free trading community where I also give out alerts and let you know a little bit of what I'm doing behind the scenes, just a little bit of a sneak peek of what the team gets to see in the trading academy. So if you're interested in any of that, I have the links down there below. I make videos every single day, kind of recapping the market and teaching you my strategy and how to trade. So I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button if this was helpful, and we will hope for a little bit more volatility tomorrow in the market, so it's a little bit easier to get in and out of trades, because that was one of the longest trading days I've had for a very long time, just really waiting for a quality setup. So I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video, and best of luck in the markets if you're trading tomorrow. See you tomorrow.